guys, welcome to another episode of Project Build. I finally bought a GoPro. Well, I didn't buy a GoPro. I'm borrowing a GoPro, and I'm probably gonna buy one. But I didn't realize you can connect these through your phone. I'm like way behind in the tech, obviously, of shooting videos. So in today's episode, I'm gonna assemble or finish assembling the bottom end on my 2.7 build. It's a V6 twin turbo. It's going into a B5 S4. I'm going stage 3, so bigger turbos, big intercoolers, a nice clutch, big exhaust. Nothing crazy with the engine, stock bottom end, upgraded connecting rods so that down the road if I go with bigger turbos, I don't have to open it back up. I've got a variety of different camera mounts here. I've never really used a GoPro before, so I'm going to experiment with a few different angles and shots and just camera positions in general. Not really sure how it's going to flow, but I'm going to set it up in different spots in the basement here, and I'll just work away and just let you guys kind of watch. So hope you guys enjoy. case. The engine's back together. I'm really happy with how it's been assembled. All the clearances checked out on the mains and the rods. So the next step is to bring that out into the garage where I can start transferring parts from this engine, which came out of this car. Heads, accessories, oil pan, oil pump, all that kind of stuff. Clean everything up, paint everything, powder coat, make it look real good, look brand new, and then we'll get in the car and we'll start it up when it's all done. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm about to head out, so stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be about, but should be a good one. See ya. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of PB Garage. Is it PB Build? Project Build, Project Garage. I don't know. Anyway.